Hey there guys, how's it going? And today what we're going to be talking about is the Scott's Turf Builder grass seed. Yeah, now these grass seeds are really pretty special. When I first got my home, I had some ground in the backyard that just really had a high trouble. I really had a real big problem growing any grass on. I thought I knew what I was doing and just tried some regular seeds, and it just wouldn't grow there. It just wouldn't. I mean, I placed seeds down with all kinds of watering and made sure it had a lot of sunlight and all that, but it just wouldn't grow there. Even mushrooms grew there, but no grass. So what I did, I got this turf builder, and I was turned on to this by a friend of mine at work, and I told them my problems, and they said, some ground is like that, and you need some special seeds to actually, make it work. And I tried this, and it actually did work. I did get a nice little grass growing there, and it's very nice now. What it is these seeds, the seeds look like this. You can see these. Yeah, they have a special coating around the seeds that absorb water. Yeah, the seeds are not like any other. They're not just the seeds by itself. It actually is coated with this special coating that actually, when you water your grass, it absorbs the water and, sucks it in and holds it in. So it allows the seed itself, which is on the inside, to, get that absorption and nutrients from the water. It grows. It really does. I was told it was going to, I was going to see like baby grass growing in about 2 weeks. But it did grow, but it did take longer than that. It took about 3.5 weeks for me to actually see some turf actually growing up there. But it did happen, I was very happy to finally see, because I thought it wasn't going to work. Now, what I did was, you have to prepare the ground first before you do anything. You have to tear up that ground and make sure it's not packed, like it is in a condition where it can grow. Tear it up, make sure it's not like a solid piece of ground, it has to be kind of mulchy and, like ground up. And I threw down some topsoil to make the soil fresh. In the topsoil, I put down the seeds and then watered that really good. And then on top of that, I put down some fertilizer. Then, watered that again, made it really, really drenched with water. And every day I would water it, really well, and eventually it started growing. It really did, and I was very happy with it. It takes a while, but it really does the job. If you live in an area that is really hot, and just sucks up water, like if you throw water on your grass and it just evaporates like really quick. I live in a really hot area, especially in the summertime. It's just unbearable sometimes, and that's when you have the hardest trouble. Yeah, you need something that's going to hold the water in, and that is really necessary. And that's what I found with this. It really, really holds the water into a really good level and makes it so that the seeds don't get all dried out and they get that nourishment that they need. I also suggest watering your lawn at nighttime instead of during the day, because it's cooler and it makes it so that it doesn't just dry out the lawn, dry out your watering, sometimes it's like that. And the best time to use this is in the spring. It's not too hot and not too cold. Its temperature should be right around just right, and yeah, that's what I did, and it seemed to work very well. Yeah. All right, well, we've been talking about the Scott's Turf Builder grass seed, and hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. All right, bye-bye.